In this video, I'm going to show you how to paper trade on IBKR Desktop. So as you can see, I'm currently in simulated trading, which basically is the same as paper trading. And the way to do this, you can actually do that on your login screen. So I'm gonna go and log out. So in case you are in your real account, click on your profile icon top right and click on log out, and then click on yes. And whenever you do that, it's basically going to relaunch your app over here. So just wait for a few seconds for IBKR Desktop to relaunch. And then on the login page, I'm going to show you how to actually switch over to paper trading, and then you can go ahead and start paper trading. There we go. So if you are inside your live account here, of course, you'll be able to log in, but if you want paper trading, click on paper trading over here, and then log in with the exact same username and password, because when you create an account, you'll get the access to your live trading and paper trading as well with same username and password. Type that in, click on login to simulation, and then you'll be able to go ahead and start paper trading on IBKR Desktop. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.